Welcome to today's lesson where we will explore the powerful website builder tool which is designed to help you create an impactful online presence for your business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, having a professional and user-friendly website is crucial for attracting and engaging visitors. So why is the website builder such a game changer for small business owners like you? Well, let's dive in. Number 1, a user-friendly design. The website builder features an intuitive interface that lets you design stunning websites without any coding or design skills. You can choose from a range of pre-designed templates tailored to various industries, or even start from scratch to create your own. Number 2, customization. Tailor your website to match your brand identity. From colors and fonts to images and layout, every element is customizable to create a unique look and feel. Number 3, informational layout. Websites generally offer multiple pages that provide detailed information about your business, products, services, and more. This layout is perfect for visitors who want to explore and learn about your offerings. Number 4, engaging content. Use the website builder to create engaging content through blog posts, articles, case studies, and more. This content not only informs, but also establishes your authority in your industry. Number 5, seamless navigation. Websites allow visitors to navigate through different pages to find exactly what they're looking for. This seamless navigation enhances the user experiences and keeps visitors engaged. Number 6, showcase products and services. Display your products and services in an organized manner, complete with images, descriptions, and even pricing information. This helps visitors understand what you offer and make informed decisions. Number 7, brand storytelling. Share your brand's story, mission, and values through dedicated pages. Let visitors connect with your business on a personal level. Number 8, call to action opportunities. While websites offer multiple pages, you can strategically place call to action buttons and links throughout them, guiding visitors to take desired actions like contacting you, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. Number 9, contact and social integration. Easily integrate contact forms, maps, and links to your social media profiles, making it simple for visitors to get in touch and connect with you. Number 10, SEO optimization. Optimize your website for search engines with tools that help you add meta descriptions, keywords, and other SEO elements to improve your online visibility. Number 11, mobile responsiveness. Ensure your website looks great on any device. The website builder creates mobile responsive designs that adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes. Now, let's go through the Websites tab and how you can actually use the builder. We're going to start by going to the Sites tab on the left sidebar and Websites on the top menu. This is where you can create your websites, clone them, delete them, organize them into folders, and more. By hitting the 3 little dots on the right, you can edit, clone, move into a folder, share with another account, or delete your website. When creating a new site or editing an existing site, you can view the different pages of your site under the Pages tab, different clicks and views under Stats, purchases and payments made under Sales, and various settings of your website under the Settings tab. Plus, the 3 little dots on each page allows you to view each page's settings, clone the page, add products to the page, or delete it. Lastly, before we edit our website pages, we have to go over our Settings tab. This is where you can change the name of your website, add your specified domain to make your website live, change the path of the entire site, add your favicon URL for the image in your browser tab, add any tracking codes, toggle your payment method, your image optimization, and of course the ability to add the chat widget from your account automatically to your website pages. Now let's take a tour through the page builder. Remember, this builder is the same exact one as the funnel builder, so you can use the same tips from that lesson in the website page builder here. Now let's start by adding our elements, sections, rows, and columns by clicking the plus sign in the top left and dragging in any box that we need to create our website. Then we can view the layers and the different elements, sections, rows, and columns already existing in our site page. View the different pages of our website as well as in the middle screen tab. Add any tracking codes specific to your page, custom CSS specific to your page, typography for the entire page, as well as your background color or images for the entire page. Then we have our pop-up settings. And of course our SEO metadata for our searchability on the web. Then we can toggle between our mobile and desktop view, undo and redo buttons, and open any settings of any column, section, row, or element of your choice. Then you can save, preview your page, view different version histories, and even restore to previous versions. And of course, for sections specifically, you could save them as a template or a global section to use in other pages and sites later. Any section block you can save as a template to pull in to any other funnel or website page in your entire account. Whereas if you save it as a global section, it will save for that specific website or funnel, and anytime you edit it on one page, it will update on any other pages within that one site automatically. Once we've saved our version, we can start looking at the different sections, rows, columns, and elements that are used to build our site pages. You can move them, drag and drop, clone, and delete to specify your specific configurations for each block. Plus, there are so many elements to choose from and add into your site. As mentioned, you can connect to your forms, calendars, surveys, and other tools, as well as images, videos, countdowns, and other elements specific to your needs. You're always able to add different images in an image element or backgrounds by using the little image icon button and using the media library and media search tabs to find and upload any images or GIFs you'd like. Don't forget to check your view on mobile and desktop, as well as toggle the visibility of different elements or blocks if needed. Use your button redirects to open your pop-up. Use headlines for icons, and various other examples shown here. By using the website builder, you can create an informative, engaging, and visually appealing online presence that captures your brand's essence and attracts potential customers. It's a powerful tool to showcase your expertise, connect with your audience, and drive business growth. Remember, your website is often the first impression people have of your business, so make it count by using the website builder to craft a professional and impactful online presence. That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.